Nowadays sequence question is most important, right? And so many times I told you that you need to remember sequence, try to prepare the notebook for sequence. Now it's your turn, that how many sequence you are able to remember throughout the computer science. From each and every unit you have to recall all the sequence quickly, so that your mind mapping will be done, and I will see that what's your score. You are able to carry how much score. I am going to enable the leaderboard and I will give you the poll. First question in front of you from UGC Net set, all together, it's combined as a sequence question. First question in front of you. Be ready with your full attention so that you can give me the correct answer, and try to ask your brain that yes, how many sequence it is able to recall, and you can prepare your notes also from this. Right, give me answer. Your time starts now. See, only 55% correct answer. What is this? You are not able to recall the sequence. Here the DNS query, no need to explain anything. I will not explain because these all the topic we have done already. Here DNS query, the sequence is this one because it is starting with the query root DNS. Next question. Do it. This all concept we have already done. It is your live mock test. Brainstorming required before exam, which you are not trying to do. See, question from genetic algorithm, from networking we switch to AI. So many switching will be here today because it's the time to switch from one topic to another topic. Total syllabus you need to remember. %82 correct answer. Genetic algorithm, very simple question is that, and this is a very repeated area. Very much repeated area. %73 correct answer. From where the generation start, from where you are starting. I am giving you tips to do the correct answer. Those who are doing mistake, try to find out the starting and ending. For the sequence question, tips is that starting and ending. Initialization is the starting, so B is the starting. With that one only you can do the answer. See, that others option you can eliminate. So try to find out where to start, where to end. So from the option easily you can eliminate it. Now next question. This is also from AI neural network. Training process of neural network. %72 correct answer. So here, first we have to initiate. Here also we can do that. Initialization is the first step. So here you can see this is initialization. I will start with this one. After that, here I see that starting and ending is same. That means next you have to focus. Next, after initialization, feed forward is there. Back propagation is later. So definitely this is your answer. Try to apply your brain. Yes, where to start, where to end. And this sequence are very important for you. Must write down from each and every question. You should prepare your notes that yes, this is the sequence. Just write it. On total question, no need to write. From the sequence only with arrow, you can write down that yes, this is the sequence. Now see, it is from software engineering. Software engineering process that you need to do. Check, 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 and answer. Color is not coming. Why? Mark it. I gave again. Full color was not there, that's why. Now it's came. Sometimes false click happening. Now it's correct. Okay, 97% correct answer. Good. So here definitely I have to start with planning. So how to prepare the notes from the question? What you will do? You will just prepare like a sequence notebook. Okay, number one sequence. I am starting with this planning. After that, next we will go for design. Next we will go for this. Like this you will prepare the your notebook. No need to write question. Just sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Just prepare the sequence. It will be 100% helpful for your recalling, mind mapping and getting score, because nowadays it is the pattern. If you do that, you will be able to manage total syllabus very easily. Okay. Now see, next question. This is also again from software engineering. Oh, sorry. No, no, it is different. FDD. And not only sequence, from these questions you can understand the topic, which topics are important for you. That is also one requirement. %45 correct answer. FDD, very important nowadays for software engineering. FDD, agile and adaptive, these models are very trending models. And module development, modular programming, modular software engineering, these are trending area. Don't miss it. Here also we have to start with this built by feature. First of all we have to develop overall model, this one, and ending with what? Ending that build, that is ending. So from the ending you can do the answer. B is the ending, build by feature. By that you can match. That's why I am telling you technique, try to apply starting and ending. Key points I have to find. Yes, which one is starting? From the option directly eliminate. Which one is ending? From the option try to eliminate. Quickly within 15 seconds you will be able to find out the answer. Don't try to do each and everything after that match. No. Start, check it, end, check it. Done. Now do. Next. Here it is again from AI. Order of increasing complexity. This is also very important topic for you. All these topics, those who did not revise till now, please revise. Throughout the syllabus, all important topics in front of you. The genetic algorithm, here artificial intelligence, no, this is not genetic algorithm. This is your spam detection in artificial intelligence. The order of complexity means where application of AI. Application of AI, which one is taking less time, which one is less complex and more complex, from here you can do the answer. Next question is again from genetic algorithm, different encoding technique. The sequence of encoding technique. Your time start now. %50 correct answer. So maximum people are doing mistake here. I am telling again and again, you maximum people will do that. Okay, first they will read it. Okay, which one is fast? This one. After that, this one. No, no, no. Don't do that. Always try to find out which one is my starting and then got it, because time saving is required. Out of read it and from here mark it. This is my starting. This is my starting. Already done. No need to waste your time. Don't waste your time. Each and every second important for you. Now, next. This is most popular for your computer science and paper 1 both. The storage speed. Which one is highest, which one is lowest? According to speed, according to access time, according to storage capacity. So check it. What is the focus of the question? Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. 15 seconds enough to do the answer. Quickly mark the poll. Still, some of you are still doing mistake here also. See that. First basic part of computer science. A computer science student should not do mistake here, but still you are doing mistake. Always there is a problem. You are making mistake here, that whenever you are doing, it is asking about the fastest to slowest. So that you are not able to, you are always, your mind is doing slow to fast. No, it is fast to slowest. So fast is always register, mark it. Here is register, here is register. No. Which one is slowest? Slowest is also there, that is hard disk. It is there. So after register, which one is next? Here SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is the static RAM, that is cache. And DRAM is the main memory. So cache is the next one. That's why this is cache. This is your answer. Always remember, SRAM is cache and DRAM is main memory, right? So your answer is done. Now math. Here cardinality. Simple one. Don't answer in the chat box, answer in the poll. Otherwise, you will be not able to see yourself. And everyone, please don't answer in the chat box. Here poll is running. You can answer in the poll. Cardinality. Calculate the cardinality and then mark it. Take your time to calculate correctly. Be careful about the brackets. I am telling you the tips also. At least give me the correct answer. Still doing mistake. I gave you. I already told you. Still you are doing mistake. क्यों भाई क्यों आप लोग इतना गलती कर रहे हो? Here the brackets, be careful about brackets. I told you each and every bracket is one set, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Here this is 1, 2. This is 2. And this is totally one bracket. That means it is 1. So from here you can understand which one is smallest. C is the smallest one. This is your answer. Why? Why doing mistake? Now, tell me. Networking. Fields. For each and every header, the fields. Very important. TCP header, frame header, UDP header, IPv header. Quick, give me the answer. 15-second poll will run. Find out the answer and quickly you have to answer on the poll. %49 correct answer. Here your header format is this one, which is starting with flag, address, information, FCS and flag. So your answer will be, it is starting with flag, so that's why it is flag, and ending with the FCS, You need to remember memorization. These all are memorization. Those who are getting scared about math, numerical, programming, for you this is the scoring area. Memorization, so you have to. Now see, whenever you are running the program, runtime environment, how you are running? How to run? Read, find out the starting and ending, and do the answer. Still why writing? Why doing mistake, Ray? You are not able to find out the starting and ending. This is your clearing basic. That's why I am telling you. Whenever I am writing the program, that means first of all I have to write the program statement. This is my starting. Here is A, this is not, eliminated. After that I have to find out the ending. Ending is deallocation. Here also ending, here also ending. Here I can see B, here also I can see B. My focus will be here, CD and CD. Understand how to eliminate. Here it is CD, here it is DC. That means I need to focus on D and C. This is memory allocation, this is type of variable. First I have to know the type of variable, then only I can calculate how much memory required. Because for integer 2 byte, character 1 byte, that calculation you can do when you know the type of variable. That means first D then C. That's why first D then C. This is not your answer. You need to know the technique of finding, right? So the technique apply and get the correct answer. Accuracy level will improve when you are applying these techniques. Please try to apply and learn this technique so that your score will improve. Do this. This is a different question. This is a not sequence question. Do this. This type of question also very popular from math. Calculate and answer. Here formula required. Your time start now. Giving you time to calculate. Oh my god, only 27% correct answer. Why? What happened? Why only 27% correct answer? Where you are doing mistake? Here tell me, what is the formula for spanning tree? Complete graph. It is asking you how many spanning tree, number of this, how many spanning trees are possible. Here complete graph, here also complete graph. What is the formula for complete graph? Tell me quickly. Formula for complete graph. We did it now. Tell me the formula. What is the formula for complete graph? Yes, good Gayatri, very good. N to the power n minus 2. So n to the power n minus 2 means 3 to the power 3 minus 2, that means 1. First one is coming what? 3 to the power 3 minus 2 means 3 to the power 1, that means 3. So here you got 3. This one is 4 to the power 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means it is 4 to the power 2, that means it is coming 16. Right? This is coming 16. After that, for a complete bipartite graph, whenever k to the power n to the power m to the power n minus 1, n to the power m minus 1. So m to the power n minus 1 means here both are 2, 2, that means 2 to the power 2 minus 1 multiply into again 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Ultimate it is coming 4. Right? And this one for the cyclic graph. Cyclic graph equals to number of edges. How many spanning trees are possible? It is creating one cycle only. C5 is creating only one cycle. So how many different spanning trees are possible? You will cut this one, this one, this one. So by cutting each and every edges, how many possible? 5. 5. So answer is 5 according to the number of edge. Now come to the sequence. 3 is the lowest one. It is asking you according to the best on the number. So it is 3 is the lowest one. So I will start with A. All are starting with A. This is not. And ending with B, that is 16, highest one. This is ending with B. This is ending with D. This is ending with D. So definitely this is your answer, right? Why doing mistake then? How you are making mistake? The formulas are very important. Remember those formulas. Again and again questions are coming from these maths formulas like graph. In the graph so many formulas are there, theorems are there that you need to remember. Now do this. This is from operating system repeated area. Repetitively question came from this area. The sequence of page replacement algorithm. Some people are there, you are just like closing your eyes, you are doing it. Huh? What are you doing, guys? Open your eyes little bit. There are 14% student, those who mark the option B. May I know how you are marking this option B? You have to do the page replacement algorithm. First only you have to free the frame. Which frame I will free, that is I need to apply, right? Algorithm means which one I am going to free. I have to apply that. Directly how you will free the frame? Little bit minimum sense so you can apply, na? How you are doing it? This is not good. At least minimum sense. No free frame. That means yes, free frame is not there. Then I have to apply the algorithm. Then I can do. How you are starting with this? This is very important. Again and again question came from this area, okay? Now do this. Mathematical model. Think it. How you are solving math? How you are solving math? If you ask yourself, then you can find out the answer. Yes. We are solving math. So we are, first of all, we need to formulate mathematically. So formulation, and finally need to solve. So we here again directly eliminate, starting with formulation. This is not my answer. This is not my answer. Now this one, this one, this one, both are same. Now I have to focus here. Focus here. After B, A is correct or C is correct. The solution fitting, solve mathematically. First of all, I need to solve. After that, I can go for solution. So definitely it is my answer. Technique need to understand. so that you can save your time. Now it's the time for calculation. For a long time you are trying to think about theory. So theory means not only theory, here numerical is also there, from where you need to make a sequence. Take your notebook quickly and solve it, because this type of question is very important. Postfix, prefix, and then getting the answer. Solve, then give me the answer. Take your time. Solve with your pen and paper, then give me answer. The problem, you are not practicing. You have to practice. Here the prefix expression we need to solve from opposite direction. Prefix means solve from this direction. Postfix means solve from this direction. Because prefix means root is here and postfix means root is here. So whenever we are solving, you can solve using stack. It will be easy for you, one by one. Whenever you are solving in stack, for the A you will get here 3. I am not going in detail, that much time is not there, because I already explained this concept to you. With the stack you will get here 3. Here with the stack you will get here 1. For this one you will get 4. And for this one you will get 45. And that's why your answer will be this. The option 2. Option B was your answer, right? Option B is your answer. I am not scrolling up. Now do the next. For the last question, option B is your correct answer. Now see. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy architecture. Fuzzy architecture, here first we need to do the fuzzification. Fuzzification is the first. So here we have to start with B. And after fuzzification, what is the ending? Ending is defuzzification. 2 and 1. Need to remember, yaar. Now again a genetic algorithm, these are repeated area, but here it is in little bit different terminologies they here use here. Find out and give me the answer. Yes. Next one, inference engine coming in middle, Ravina. Here selection initialization starting with initialization, so you can see it is starting with this one. After initialization we have to go for selection, then selection, reproduction, last step is replacement. Write down this sequence, very important, repeated questions are coming from here. Now again it's the time to take your pen and paper and calculate. Find out the candidate key and then give me the answer. Take pen and paper, solve it and then answer. Number of candidate key, which is most important for database, and this type of question is popular now. Looking like theory question but not theory. Only 54% correct answer. That means you are not able to find out the candidate keys also properly, and that's why you are doing mistake. There are three relations. From these three relations you need to find out the candidate keys properly. Here whenever you are trying to find out the candidate key, here in the first one you will get only one candidate key, because through the A plus you are getting one candidate key. BC is not your candidate key. From the second one you will get here 4 candidate keys, total 4. A is also candidate key, E is also candidate key, CD also and BC also. These all are your candidate key, that's why total 4 will come. And from the third one you will get here 3 candidate key, AD, CD and BD. So that's why your sequence will be this one. This is your correct answer. Now do this. Servlet. This is advanced topic in your programming. Yes. So arrange the following state of servlet life cycle. Here first we have to servlet load the class, that's why I am loading. So already you can eliminate. See that something you don't know, then also you can do the answer, because loading is the first step. So I have to load. After that check it. Here it is also 1, this is also 1, this is ending is also same. Now I have to focus here. Directly come to 4 and 3. This is the way how to find out the answer. Try to understand the concept. Here unnecessary, I will not waste my time because this is two same. I will focus here. 4 and 3. Try to focus here. 4 and 3. Sublet method invoked and init method. Init means what? Initial method. Init is always the first method. So definitely init will be fast. So your answer will be this one. If you apply little bit basic common sense and some technique in exam hall, your score will improve plus 20 to 30 by applying this smart strategy. Try to apply this smart strategy which will really helpful for you. Okay. Now, do this. Complexity, order of complexity. Most important in DS Algo. F is also not there now, ma'am. Have to check F. Where F? F means? F means I am not getting candidate key. Last question. It is not F, it is functional dependency and F. This is functional dependency. This is not the attribute. Arpita, it is not attribute, it is given functional dependency. That is F. F is not your attribute. Okay. Now, do this. No, it's okay. This type of confusion are coming in exam hall. So clear your confusion here so that in exam hall there should not be mistake. That's why live mock test is important now. All the problem you will resolve here. So in exam hall will be super smooth for you, easy for you. Now quickly tell me, increasing order of complexity. Your time start now. '71 complexity must. Don't go for exam hall without learning the order of complexity at least. Here also you are doing mistake. Which one is starting and which one is ending? Which one is the smallest one? Order of log n is the smallest one. I will start with this here. And which one is the highest one? 2 to the power n is always exponential. So 2 to the power n. Your answer is here. Must learn. Don't neglect each and everything. These all are important for you. Whatever I am telling in the class for each and every topic, this is most important for you. Now see next. This is from Theory of Computation, Machine Order. Don't go for exam hall without learning this machine order and Chomsky normal from grammar. Super easy topic. Repeated topic. Here also I am getting 78% correct answers. Till now you people are not learning this topic. I am telling you one thing. After today's class, find out this topic and complete it. It is a blunder mistake that okay, out of 10 unit I will cover some of the unit and I will go for exam. No. Rather than that, from each and every unit, what are the most important area? from where you are getting always question, those topic cover, so that your probability of getting score will be more. You will learn everything 100% in one unit. How many maximum question you can get? 10, 12, 15 maximum. But whenever you are covering each and every unit, all important topic, then your probability is increasing, because in each and every unit, if you are able to solve 5 to 6 question also, then multiply 5 multiply 6 is how much? Think about that. 10 multiply 6, 16, 60, 50 to 60 question I am able to solve. That means my score is improving. So this is the technique you need to understand, that where I have to focus. Totally one unit I did not learn. Don't do that. Here it is very simple area, easy area for TOC. Do it. Finite automata is the starting and Turing imagine is the ending. So this is your answer. Now see, this is interrupt. Here how interrupt is working, which is most repeated area, mostly repeated. There are again and again so many paper we saw this type of question. Tell me the answer for interrupt. How interrupt is working. Read properly, think it, and give me the answer. %45 correct answer. This interrupt, those who was in the class, I explained so many different way when the interrupt is coming, what to do. First, the finishing, always we have to, whatever we are doing, always we have to finish the work. Then only suddenly you are doing something, ma'am, you have to complete it. That's why we have to complete the work. That is the first step, and after that we are going to push. Then this is the sequence. So many times I explain, but you are not listening. See here again, this is the fuzzy logic system. Here they added 2 more sentence. Yeah, for the interrupt I took the example of WhatsApp link. Ma'am, give me WhatsApp link. Ma'am, give me WhatsApp link. So something I am explaining, first I need to complete the explanation. After that I will tell you that again I have to come back to the next question. Now do this. %92 correct answer. See, the topic is same, but they will make question in more detailing. Topic is same. So I have to start with fuzzification. That is my starting. That is okay. I will start with fuzzification. This one, this one, this one. It is not my answer. And I have to end with defuzzification. So I am ending with defuzzification. With that only you can get the answer. Already your answer is done. But in between the steps also need to remember and write down the sequence also, because next step is I have to application of the fuzzy operator, that is and or anything. After that we are doing aggregation, then finally we are implementing this, then we are getting it right. First implementation, first after this I am implementing implementation from the antecedent and the quotient, then next, then next. So from this question must write down the detailing of fuzzification, because it is complete detail. Last question you see that only 3 steps was there, but here they gave so many steps. So these all the steps from the question, write it down. Next, this is also genetic algorithm. Again they make little bit twist here. Think and answer. With the twist you are getting confused. Topic same but making twist is creating confusion for you. Here you will be able to find out that yes, I will start with initial population, that's fine. I am starting with initial population here, here, here. This is not. Here I know that now you have to be, you will be confused that this is best individual. See that this both you have this 3. So here you can see this is ending with B, this is ending with this is ending with this. So I need to find out which one will be ending. So it is selection and this is best individual. Output is always best individual in genetic algorithm. That's why selection you can eliminate. Now you see this is all are E. Now you see here this is also B, B. Now here you can focus. This is A, this is already I have eliminated. This 2 already we have eliminated, and this is D. Now focus on A and D. Crossover, mutation. First we have to do crossover, then mutation. So that's why this is your answer. First need to do crossover, then after that mutation. So we will go for this. Whenever you are getting sequence questions are looking easy but not that much easy. This type of confusion will happen in exam hall, and that's why I am telling you the technique. How to find out the correct answer. Means everyone is learning, everyone will do, but you need to know how to make my accuracy, 100% accuracy. These problems are happening in exam hall. Options are very close, I am not able to get it. How to find out? By option, looking, observing the option, you can predict. Got it? Idea is clear? Now see here, computer graphics algorithm, DDA, they are asking this. Yeah, we will do the matching. After the sequence, we will do the matching also. Matching and sequence is trend now, we have to do. We will do it. Today complete the sequence, then we will do matching also. DDA algorithm, line drawing. So draw the line and give me the answer. Yes. So here your answer is, because the steps are this. First we need to do the endpoints, after that calculate x, then after that this, that is slope m, then initial value, then finally. So algorithms, for some important algorithms are there where you can get this type of question, right? In DS Algo also algorithms they are, in your operating system also algorithms are there, Networking also algorithms are there. Each and every topic we have algorithms. So from those algorithms, if you are remembering, trying to make the sequence, then this type of question you can do. So answer is this one, right? How they are making question you need to understand. Now, this is most popular from networking. The layers of networking. Give me the answer. At least this one, don't do mistake, please. Give me the correct answer, please. Arey bhai, why not getting 100%? This one also 90, 80. Means some of you are there, those who did not learn this also. Leave everything. Those who are last minute also, those who are preparing, you did not learn anything. From each and every unit, these are important topic. From today's class only you are getting what are the important topic. From each and every unit, those important topic class complete. After that, go for anything. The layers of networking most important. This is also you did not learn, means it is blunder mistake. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. And what are the main criteria of each and every layer, functionalities of each and every layer. For each and every subject, I provide you the quick revision notes and important topic. Those things complete it. Okay, those things complete. Then go for the full syllabus. The answer is this one. Now see, again the question from data storage. But here they make the twist with different types of cache. Just see the twist in the question. So many twists will be there. And to show you this type of twist, I am here. This is my work, to collecting all the question and to show you those twists. Again mistake, again mistake. You are confused. Arey bhai, L1, L2, L3. Which one is highest? Which one is lowest? That is the biggest confusion happening here, right? Arey, I know that. Okay. And here also SSD and HDD, most of you know. Main memory also most of you know. But L1, L2, L3 only creating confusion. That's why you need to remember that for the cache, which one is highest and lowest. It is asking you the lowest to highest. Lowest to highest from L1, L2, L3. The highest one is L1, then L2, then L3. So this is your answer. Next one, do this. See that from HTML also it is possible to make the sequence question. HTML also it is possible to make the sequence like this. Yes. So first we are writing head After that we are writing, is it head? No. First we are writing whenever the tag is there. First we have to write the HTML tag. Then it is the ending of HTML. After that we are coming to head. So that's why HTML is the starting here. After HTML we will go for head. Then we will go for title. Then we will go for body. This is the sequence. Now see the next question. It is to this one. Sorting algorithm. From the sorting algorithm, worst case time complexity. Find out the worst case time complexity of sorting algorithm and then give me the answer in sequence. Your time start now. Recall the complexities and give me the answer. Hmm. 50%. 47%. क्या बात है भाई. These are like memorization topic. I gave you one chart that these complexities, all the algorithm complexities, best case, worst case and average case, you have to learn and then you have to go. That is also you did not learn. This is, at least remember complexities, because 100% sure topic. From the complexity you are getting 100% sure. For the mark short, order of n log n, right? For linear search, order of n. Bubble sort, order of n square. And binary search, order of n log n. Order of log n. Binary search is order of log n. Yes. Now which one is best, which one is worst? Here also you are doing mistake. So best one is log n, means smallest one. Smallest one is log n. After that, next one is n. Then next one is n log n. Then next one is n square. This sequence most important, most important. Why doing mistake you? So your answer is this one, D, B, A, C. This is your answer. Now this is also another way how they can ask you question. Just see that. This is the graph. Best first search, the sequence. How you are, whenever you are trying to find out the shortest path, how to do it. Best first search is the algorithm for AI, which is a combination of breadth first search and depth first search. Think and answer. How to do best first search? Best first search means each and everyone is starting with A. From the option only you can start with A, because it is given already, starting position is A. So whenever I am starting with A, I need to find out which one is the shortest one. Here it's 2, here it's 7. So I will go for 2 definitely, that is C. After that, this is 10 and 3, I will go for this 3. The detail algorithm I am not telling you, because detail algorithm learn it. After that, After F, here you are getting this is 1 and this is 6, this is 1 and this is 6. So where I will go here D. After D I will go for this is 2 and this is 7. So I will go for this one, E. So my answer is this. Right, got it. Again you can see asymptotic complexity, order of complexity. I think this one we have done just now. No, this is different. This is different. No audio? Audio is there, na? Audio is coming. %55 correct answer. Just now I told you 2 to the power n is the exponential factor and this is the highest one always, and this is your sequence. Here and here remember root n is greater than log n, 2 to the power n is greater than n square, and 2 to the power 3 by 2 is greater than n log n, and 2 to the power n is greater than n to the power log n. So from here you can do this answer. This is your answer, right? This is most important, that yes, what is your score? I am telling Jagan Mohan in 40, Tamil Selvi 39, Pravina 38, Subha 37, Aruna 36, Sri Dhanya 35, Arpita 34, Hedil 33, Lalita 33, Mohana 32. Someone please take the screenshot of leaderboard, and this time is, I am taking the screenshot. You also can take the screenshot of leaderboard and post it. So we have done so many questions, and not only the question, this is telling you that what is important for you, what are the topic you are lagging, what are the topic till now you have to revise, and how you need to solve the question. That's most important, right? That's most important. So that's why focus on that. That is very, very important for you. The all topic, all subject together, whenever you are trying to recall, then this is, you need to understand, okay, what is happening in my mind. Yeah, chalo. So if you want to do this type of question more, because you can see 40 question we have done, but you are not able to see the 40 question because these questions we have done in paid course. The paid learners are doing all these question, all these types of question. If you want to join the paid course, you can come. It will be not too much for you. Visit our Unify Study, and there for 15 days plan is available with 799 rupees, where you can access the live class, and rank booster course is available where you can access this practice session, recorded session. It's your choice, but it will be beneficial for you. I hope you like this class. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. At least stay tuned for the free classes with this channel. Bye everyone.